Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and this is my recap of the top rated videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top data analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, if you've been following along with my videos, I've been saying for a long time now, especially this week, that I am only looking to go short, and I'm only looking for shorts unless it breaks this high right here. So, I mean, there's been a nice short right there. There was a beautiful short early this morning right there. Definitely a nice short right there. Previous to that, there's a short there, short there, short there, short there. So, if you've been following along with my videos, then you've definitely been making a killing just like we have been. So, what am I doing right now? I am definitely still looking for shorts. I mean, we are at the 78%. Does seem like a likely area to make a bounce, but we don't know that it's going to make a bounce, and if it does end up making another three-way pattern to the upside, another impulsive move to the downside, I will definitely go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is not over until the market tells us it's over, and the market will tell us the trend is over when we break a significant structure level on the correctly tuned time frame. And until that happens, I'm going to do nothing but continue to look for shorts, just like I have been for several weeks now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.